Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today in Microsoft Word I will show you two essential features that everyone should know. First, you will learn how to create this type of table of content. Second, you will learn how to start page number from a specific page. Let's get started. Part 1, table of content. Press Ctrl N for new page and type is equal to RAND rand bracket start and type 100 bracket close and press enter. It shows 10 page demo text. Press Ctrl Home to go starting of the page. Example, this is the story of Word. I want to insert the title, so I press enter and move cursor up and type here Nepal. To make a title, select it and go to home menu and click a style group down arrow and choose this heading 1, not heading 2, heading 1. Next title, go little down, it is the page number 4. I want to insert here India. So select and go home and make a heading 1. I make last title China. Select it and click heading 1. After then, place your cursor where you want table of content. Now I want to insert table of content in the starting of document. Move your cursor in the starting. Then go to reference menu. In this table of content group, click this down arrow. You get here 3 type of table of content. These 2 are automatic and this last one is manual. Now I want to insert this style. Yes, I have table of content. If you would like to insert a subheading, press Ctrl and click here. I reached in page number 4. Create a subheading. I write here 21.1. It's a 1 Delhi. Select it and go to home and click this down arrow of this style groups and I choose heading 2, not heading 1. Yes, this is my heading 1 and this is the heading 2. You want to make next 2.2. It's Mumbai. Select it and click heading 2. Last one 2.3 second. Select it and click heading 2. After finishing your heading, click table of content and then update table of content and click this update entire table of content and click on OK. And see here Delhi, Mumbai and Sikkim. These are my subheading. Before starting page number, I want to insert cover page, so I go to insert menu and click cover page. Choose suitable cover page from here. Now I want to insert this cover page. Type your document title about the word. Unnecessary information, you could select and press delete. Now I want to change this company name GYN Ganmala NP. Now I have a 12 page text. Part 2. Start page number from a specific page. This is page 1 and this is the page 2 and I want to make this page is page number 3, so I click here and go to insert and click page break. Now this page is page number 3 and this page is page number 2 and this one is page number 1. I want to make this page number 1, so go to insert menu and click page number and choose page number style. Now I insert this type of page number. Now I want to make this heading page not a 2. I start from page number 1, so click in this option close header and footer. Place the cursor in page 3 because I want to start page 1 from here. Go to layout menu and click break. Choose this continuous section break. Then double click this header area of this page. Click this link to previous option. Scroll and go to offsite. Delete just one page number. No need to delete others. And then go to your topic page and then select your page number. Go to in this header and footer group, you will see here page number and click the down arrow of it and click format page number and then click the start page number. Insert your starting number. Now I want to start page number 1, so I insert here 1 and then click OK. After then click this close header and footer. So actually this page is page number 3, but it has shown page number 1. I go last of the document. So this page is page number 13, but it has shown page number 11. Then go to your table of content, because our page has been sent. So click this table of content again and click update table and click update entire table and then click OK. Yes, done. I'll show you the preview of this document. So I go to file and click. It's my cover page, and this is table of content page, and my content start this page number 3. This way we start page number from desired page. I hope these lessons help you to understand how to create table of content and start page number from a specific page in Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, leave comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.